Okay, today's video is a Shasta trailer and the car here. And this is Bill.
Hi.
And he's going to tell us about the car first.
It's a 1963 Thunderbird. I didn't do much to it other than rebuild the engine and fabricated a custom hitch so I could tow my trailer with it.
Okay, and I'm going to look at the inside. It's really good condition. And it has power windows, so it's luxury, huh?
Yeah, it has air conditioning too. And it
Wow.
works.
Air conditioning, look at the radio. That's really nice.
Thank you.
And the camper, what year is the camper?
It's a 1964 Shasta, and it's called an SCS model. That stood for self-contained shower. And it had a shower as well as a bathroom, toilet.
So is yours the same as Mara's next door?
No, I don't know, because theirs is after 1964. They went to the square size, the square shape.
Okay.
So I don't know exactly what year theirs is, and I don't know if theirs has a bathroom or not. I haven't talked to them.
It does, because she said the same thing about self-contained.
Okay, but it does.
But
yeah.
your door's in a different place, so
Yeah,
it is different.
This is the rear kitchen model.
The rear kitchen model. And it's got the wings. And look at the cute little awning. Even the spare tire's nice.
Turn down the music.
Alright, we're going to go inside. It's got matching chairs and carpet. I like everything matchy-matchy. And the stove matches the fridge. It's got a lot of storage in this little camper. And all original wood.
Well, no, the only thing that's original in this whole thing are the doors. Everything else has been...
Oh, all the walls have been
Yeah, they were just
redone.
rotten from the floor up.
Okay.
This thing's just sat full of water for so long that it just needed a complete rebuild.
So you have the furnace. Does that furnace work?
No, it doesn't, because I can't find the gas valve that doesn't leak. So I do have
Okay.
auxiliary heat. I got some.
Okay. And then up there is a fold-down bed. And look at the clock. I love this upholstery. So this is all new? This is all redone?
Yeah, I picked that out just because I thought it looked kind of like old sofa type upholstery from the 50s.
It does. And he's got the accessories over here. This is really nice. And that's the Shasta magazine rack.
Now that's original.
Yeah.
I did manage to save that.
And up there's some more accessories.
And I put a little 12-volt TV DVD player here.
Oh, and it gets hidden.
Yeah.
That's a nice way to do it, so you don't see it.
Yeah. I tried to keep it original looking, and I took the original refrigerator out. Took the stove out because it was so rotten, and I put the refrigerator underneath it. Painted a black stove top, turquoise, and then I put in place of here, I have an air conditioner hidden down here, and then a microwave in here.
Oh, I like that everything's hidden.
Yeah, I wanted to keep that original looking. I didn't want to.
So when you painted the stove, oh, and let me see the bathroom. When you painted the stove, that is the high heat paint?
No, actually, and the only places it's chipped is where I've hit it.
Okay.
It's not, I think most of the heat radiates enough, and it's away from the ring here,
Okay.
that it not affected it. Hasn't discolored it or anything. It's just where I drop stuff on it.
Yeah. Nice shower. It's very deep.
Yeah. I built a little grate in the bottom, so if I'm not level, the water doesn't puddle in the shower, so when you go to the bathroom, you're not stepping in the water.
Yeah, good idea. All right, this is really nice.
And I put an all 12-volt system in it, so
You can
I
boondock.
can boonie, yeah.
Boonie. I haven't heard anybody say that yet. I've heard boondock, mooch dock, and spoon docking, but I haven't heard anybody call it boonie. We got a new term. All right, well, it's really nice. Thank you for showing us your camper,
Thank you very much. You're welcome.
and happy camping.
Thank you.